Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can make Google your default start page in the Vivaldi web browser. So let's get right into it, shall we? So what you want to do, guys, is launch the Vivaldi web browser, and here on your start page, access your browser settings. To do that, click on that gear icon here in the bottom left corner, or alternatively use the shortcut Ctrl F12 on your keyboard. And here inside your browser settings, simply head over to the general section here in the left panel. And what you want to do after that is take a look at these features here to the right. You will see the homepage section here to the right. And you may select, for instance, a specific page and set it as your default homepage. So click on specific page, and below simply type in www.google.com or any other website or search engine you would like to use as your home page or start page. And in addition to that, you may give Vivaldi the command to start up, for instance, with Google or Google.com as your start page by selecting start up with homepage or start page, and by selecting simply Google or setting Google as your start page. So whenever you launch the Vivaldi web browser, you'll be instantaneously redirected to Google.com as your search engine and as your start page. And that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.